Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Sprouting Seeds. I hope you all are doing great. Today let's talk about a cool weather growing crop which is pink beauty radish. Before that, let's see the soil preparation. I've sowed seed on 26th August and bought the seeds from the seedstore.in. Link is also in the description box. Now coming to the potting mix, it was coco peat, sand and vermicompost in 1:1:1 ratio. Now on 18th September you can see these seeds have grown very well. Now these grow bags, 15 into 6 inches grow bags, I have taken from the seedsandpots.com. Link is also available in the description box. And I have sowed some sour spinach in the edges. Now it is sweet and tasty. Most interesting thing is the seed to harvest time, which is just 29 days, 25 to 29 days, which is 3 to 4 inches of potting mix. They grow amazingly. Now these are a great mild salad radish that comes quick and germinates consistently. It is very hard to go wrong on this one. It's crispy and juicy. Flavor is of a typical radish flavor without being hot. So even kids enjoy these radishes very well. Radishes are great to grow for the beginners, and these pink beauty radish would be my recommendation to all the beginners trying to grow vegetables on their rooftops. Do try adding it to your list. Make sure you water them properly when the soil is dry. Put your finger in the edge to see if the soil sticks to your finger. If it doesn't, go ahead and water it. I've left some radishes to bolt. While growing, it prefers full sun and grows in a cooler season. Beautiful little purple white flowers are really eye-catching and a treat to witness. Now these amazing radishes, they are great to witness on a market stand as well as in your salad bowl. This variety particularly is very slow to bolt and is very well recommended. Temperature for germination is 10 degrees plus, that is 55 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. It germinates well within 4 to 6 days of sowing. Give 5 centimeters spacing between the plants. You can cover the seed lightly with soil. That is, sow them half an inch deep. And direct sowing of radishes is recommended. Now let's talk about a recipe for this pink beauty radishes. My neighbor told that when you grate these radishes and put it in curd with some little chilies, they taste amazing. Thanks to her, I really liked the recipe. We have tried it. Do try it. And here in the pictures you can see our Radishes Harvest. There is white radish, red radish, and of course the pink beauty radishes. I hope you like the content on this channel. Please subscribe and hit the